Over the past year building FoldForge, I've worked with a lot of laundry owners. And one thing I've quickly realized is that laundries are not struggling because they lack customers. They are struggling because of something much deeper. Let me start with a bit of a backstory. 2 years ago, at some point, I constantly had issues with my laundry guy. My clothes come indented. Sometimes items get mixed up. And in some cases, items weren't properly ironed. I complained over the phone, and yes, it kept happening. At some point, I decided, I couldn't take it anymore. I decided to go to his laundry to actually have a face-off with him. And on getting there, what I saw was absolute disorganization. Everywhere in his laundry was in disarray. At that point, I kind of stopped feeling angry and kind of wanted to find out what was wrong and just understand him better, why everything was the way it was. So I asked him, bro, what do you use to manage your orders? And he pointed to the notebook by the side of his desk. It hit me. Immediately it hit me, and there was no way you can actually be sane managing everything you have going on in that laundry in a notebook and expecting things to be seamless. So on leaving there, I just decided to kind of make more inquiries to know if this was a particular case to him. I went to small laundries, medium-sized laundries, and even large-scale laundries. And my findings were truly astonishing. Most laundry owners use notebooks, WhatsApp, some generic tools, Excel sheets, and in some cases, their memory to manage their entire operations. I thought that was crazy. And since then, I've just dedicated my time to working with laundry owners and building FoldForge. FoldForge is a platform we are building to help laundry owners manage their entire operations much more efficiently. From managing orders to tracking garments, managing deliveries, managing finances, inventory, expenses, and so much more, all on a single platform. You can think of FoldForge as an operating system for laundry business owners. The first thing I noticed working with laundry businesses is that many of them still rely on memory. Orders are written on notebooks. Staff have to remember which garments belong to which customer. And sometimes most of their processes falling on one person who just knows how things work. The problem with this is that memory is not a system. And when things start getting busy, some things slip through the cracks. The second thing I noticed in laundry businesses is that small mistakes compound over time. A garment can get missing, a bill can be calculated wrongly, and a staff member might misunderstand an information. And before long, these little things start to affect the business. And the thing is, the mistakes don't happen because people are careless. Most of the time it's because there's no structured system guiding the workflow of the laundry. The third lesson is something many businesses experience. Growth creates chaos. The processes that works when you have 20 customers suddenly stops working when you have 100. Others start getting overlapped. Staff might start getting confused. And the business owner spends more time fixing issues rather than running the business. And this brings me to the most important lesson I learned. Structure creates profit. The laundries that have systems in place where orders are properly tracked, garments are properly organized, and the staff follows a clear workflow are the ones that make more money and grow much more faster. And that is really what led us to building FoldForge, not just as a software, but as a system that helps laundry owners move from running on memory to running on structure. By the way, if it's your first time here, my name is Ibizim Chike, and I'm the founder of FoldForge, where we're building systems to help laundry businesses run more efficiently and scale with ease. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing more about my lessons building FoldForge and working with laundry businesses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.